welcome to the Webinar channel. Today we're gonna react to this amazing movie teaser. So let's get started. This series.
Thought about kids?
I want to be a father.
Oh,
You won't be like your father, right?
oh, what is this?
Oh, wow, it looks real.
Oh.
My father is the best father in the world. Don't ever go there.
No, shh.
Hey, Mr. Golden Spoon.
That's a sign.
Attitude, no,
Left.
he is absolutely red flag girl.
Yes, left him, bro. A
But
girl.
beautiful view though.
वो सब करना जो तेरे जैसे अमीर बच्चे करते हैं. Travel the world, see things, एक दो sports cards crash कर, दो चार affair कर, तेरी आंखें खुलेंगी फिर. गीतांजलि तू मुझे कुछ भी पूछ सकती है. Anything dirty, porn देखता हूँ, लड़की झुकती है तो check out करता हूँ and I'll always give you an honest answer. But not this.
No, I didn't
I'm
know.
sure I made some mistakes. नहीं बताता मुझे how to train a son. You train me well, Papa.
gimana ya?
बुरा जी वेखण में गया बुरा ना मिलिया कोई जे मैं आपो देखया
Oh, it's the machine gun. Oh wow. Wow. Oh wow, they like just showing the gun versus a gun and the guy, and they were so scared that they dropped their own machine gun. Oh wow.
Yes.
Very rare.
Wow.
How many people like they just died there?
ये तो शुरुआत है.
Oh wow.
बहुत काम बाकी है पापा. उसको मिलना है, मारना है, अपने राज
It's
में
really
Uh-uh. Look at the shells, guys. Ew.
wow. Oh. Why he kind of want
Wow.
someone?
That I think the beard guy is the guy that would slap, right? Oh wow. Indian movie is all full of
Wow.
action, guys. They didn't try to bring all
The moment when the
weapons.
guy put the gun on the floor.
Yeah, the machine
Wow,
guns.
the machine gun. Wow, that's so.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Barber guy. This the right.
Is he dead?
Huh?
Is he dead?
No, I don't know. I think they got reincarnated.
Okay.
Alright guys, this is the Russian video.
Wow.
Bye bye.